Good evening everyone, I am Rinkesh Shah from Mankind Pharma. The real hero will meet the real.
With the help of this film, we are trying to create some kind of a memory in which we could really showcase you as a hero which you actually are.
See me, which was that he came with his sister. He said, whatever he is, he will be a very good doctor.
I'm working in Disha for 20 years. I joined in 2003. At one point when Debashish started talking to us that we must now go to the patients.
It's not a corporate structure that we follow. We have all done it by just believing in people doing extraordinary things. I think that is one thing that is with him. So.
For this also I am assuming picture abhi baki hai with the great multi-speciality milestone with Disha family is about to see.
স্যার আপনি আমাদের পূর্বতারা, আপনাকে ছাড়া আমরা সবাই দিশাহারা।
The doctors work very hard. We really devote ourselves and थोड़ा celebration तो बनता है. Thank you, Mankind, for this lovely honor and opportunity. This Docflix is a wonderful platform where doctors can go, ask questions and get answers, read the conversation between various specialities